Hi, if you are new here, welcome to Best Kitchen Guide. In this channel, we aim to inform you about the latest and greatest tools that are used in kitchen and cooking. If a product passes our rigorous testing, only then it gets recommended by us so that our viewers don't have to face any buyer's remorse. Our evaluating process includes extensive testing, features, and prices. So if you pick the items featured in this video, you can be well assured that you are buying the best product possible. Please check the description below for our featured top 5 product links from Amazon for updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Our number one choice for top 5 best hard anodized cookware is Tefal Hard Anodized Cookware Set. With a rugged hard anodized aluminum construction, this cookware also features Tefal's Heat Mastery System, a 3-ingredient recipe for perfectly delicious cooking results every time, superior and longer-lasting non-stick coating, an anti-warping, even heat base and patented thermospot technology. Retains perfect heat and offers supreme resistance to corrosion, scratching, and other damage for go-to reliability every day of the week. Even more, Tefal makes the important step of preheating practically foolproof. The thermospot heat indicator features a ring around the center that turns solid red to indicate when pans are properly preheated, which promotes evenly cooked food and helps seal in the natural juices and flavor of meat, poultry, fish and other favorites. For easier cooking, the cookware's titanium-reinforced non-stick interior helps prevent frustrating, wasteful, stuck-to-the-bottom scenarios. Oven-safe and dishwasher-safe, Tefal Ultimate Hard Anodized Non-Stick Cookware offers multi-purpose versatility with its wide range of pots and pans: fry, brown, sauté, steam, slow cook and more. Number 2 in our side is All-Clad HA1 Hard Anodized Cookware. It comes to making sauce, gravy, or other liquidy foods, the saucepan is your go-to. Its high, straight sides lend itself well for frequent stirring or whisking that comes with making sauces, limiting spillage. The smaller surface area retains heat well and limits evaporation. As part of our HA1 non-stick collection, this saucepan is constructed of heavy-gauge aluminum and its interior is engineered with 3 layers of our high-performing, PFOA-free non-stick coating. This coating keeps food molecules from clinging to the surface, so it's ideal for delicate or sticky foods. The exterior features a bonded stainless steel base that makes it compatible with induction cooktops. At 2.5 quarts, it's a good size for a mac and cheese dinner with the family. All in all, it offers professional performance and durability combined with easy food release that's easy to clean for a convenient cooking experience. At the end of the meal, simply put it in the dishwasher or give it a quick hand washing and it's ready for the next one. Simplify how you cook with the HA1 collection's 3 layers of non-stick coating that makes food slide right off without having to constantly stir or use excessive oil. Keeping your food safe is a priority, which is why we've always made our non-stick with a PFOA-free coating that won't degrade or flake off into your plate. For details, let's watch more. Third in our best hard anodized cookware list is Anodized Hard Anodized Cookware. Anodized Advanced provides aspiring chefs with one of the very best non-sticks on the market. Step up to a crafted collection of kitchen essentials designed to outperform, outlast, and outshine your current cookware. Engineered for fast, uniform heating, these hard anodized pots and pans are twice as hard as stainless steel for durability that lasts. Oven safe to 400 degrees Fahrenheit with tempered glass lids to watch recipes as they cook. The frying pans and cooking pots in this kitchen set feature infinity slide technology for one of the longest lasting and smoothest gliding cookware surfaces you can buy. If you expect more from your non-stick, welcome to the sublime cooking experience of Anodized Advanced. Anodized Advanced Cookware features ultra-durable non-stick release so your creations glide off the pan easily for years to come. Engineered for fast, perfectly uniform heating. Hard anodized construction is twice as hard as stainless steel for maximum durability. Our fourth pick is Rachael Ray Hard Anodized Cookware. The Rachael Ray 15-piece hard anodized non-stick cookware set offers all the essentials to craft delicious meals for the whole family. The carefully curated cooking set includes a Dutch oven, sauté pan, saucepans, and frying pans, as well as a cookie sheet to bake cookies or oven roast veggies to perfection. Pots and pans feature durable hard anodized construction to quickly and evenly distribute heat and are finished with a highly quality non-stick for effortless food release. Grippy, rubberized handles offer comfort and control while cooking and are dual riveted for strength when removing recipes from the oven or serving at the table. Tempered glass lids fit securely, pan rims to lock in heat and flavor, and the entire set of pots and pans are oven safe to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Plus, the cookware set comes with a set of turner utensils and a clever mini spoonula for flipping, spooning, saucing, and more. Make family meals to remember and have more fun in the kitchen with this set of long-lasting, practical non-stick pots and pans from Rachael Ray. Last in this list is Amazon Basics Hard Anodized Cookware Set. This cookware set contains everything you need to outfit a kitchen. Its durable aluminum body and delivers excellent heat conduction all around with no dead zones or hot spots. This cookware has an extremely durable hard anodized exterior that resists scratches. It stands up to everyday use and make cleanup a breeze. Soft silicone handle stays cool to the touch and provides a comfortable, non-slip grip during daily use. It's suitable for all hobs except for induction, oven safe up to 177 C. Dishwasher safe allows a quick and easy clean. This set includes 6.3-inch, 1.5-quart saucepan with lid, 8-inch, 3-quart saucepan with lid, 9.5-inch, 6-quart casserole with lid, 9.5-inch, 3-quart sauté pan with lid, 8 and 10-inch skillets, slotted spatula.